It's my good people, back on with another video. And in this video, we're going to be breaking down the sports idol, Tiger Woods. And I'm going to be showing you how they use a remote control ball in the game. You need to bear in mind, people, that all these sports are rigged and controlled by Satan in many different ways. And I'm going to show you how they do it with the golf.
PGAtour.com presents Tiger Woods' top 10 career shots on the PGA Tour.
I'm aware of some people who've seen this video already, but I'm going to bring it out onto the front stage again. Yes, people, this is a mockery. And watch them steal the energy of the people in the crowd.
I don't know what he's going to do here, but this is... I want to watch this.
It's going to get more outrageous as we go up the numbers. So just watch, people.
How about a four? Can you tell me? I guess... I'll tell you, I've seen it all today. This is unbelievable. This week was the pro debut of 20-year-old Tiger Woods.
What's this behind him, people? Look at these signs and symbols. You know that swirly one is associated with the devil. Always posting this devil puppet up in the Nike as well. Your satanic Nike. Yeah, watch that, people. You see it?
I guess hello world, huh?
202-yard par 3 with a 6-iron.
What a joke, people. Did you just see that? You see the angle of the ball change. Pay attention to when it lands and watch that angle of it.
202-yard par 3 with a 6-iron. The 9th hole-in-one of his young life. Yeah, that's yours.
The Northwood lie there, he's got the ball lying at the bottom of the downslope. Can he find
a big role to play with this young Tiger Woods that they bring on the scene?
The magic to chip it in?
But it's alright though. They got it all under control with their remote control ball.
Very beautifully, he had to take the chance and he's made it. Unbelievable.
The things he does at certain moments is quite incredible. That was the most...
Look at all these people coming out to watch a man hit a ball around in a field. Wow.
difficult golf shot. He played it to perfection.
Tiger now with a 6-iron. One good straight shot, middle of the green, 2 putts. Should make him the champ.
You see how they got the face cam as well, people? Come on, it's for entertainment.
Well,
I didn't even see that shit right there. I didn't even see that. I'm gonna have to run that back.
make him the champ. Well, that's fairly convincing, would you say?
That is some kind of shot there.
Look at this light, look at this shot. He's got to go dead vertical and he's got a ridge.
He's got to carry this just barely over the long grass.
Watch this fake shit. Watch them pull off their moves with their remote control ball. Are you ready, people?
I took such a big cut at it to try and take the water out of play. And
Give the people that little cutout section of him giving the little narrative, giving his little backstory on this tense moment. Alright, people, get out of here with this bullshit.
the lie was not exactly the best.
He's going to have to go vertical with the super high lob and just take his chances.
Straight up. Oh, yeah, look at this, Peter. Look at this shot. Look at this. Might go in. Might go in. Might go in. It is in.
That's just a fucking joke, people. You don't see that? You're not seeing the way the speed. Pay attention to the speed of that ball.
Take his chances.
Straight up. Oh, yeah, look at this, Peter. Look at this shot. Look at this. Might go in. Might go in. Might go in. It is in.
You can see at one point it almost stops and picks up speed. It's ridiculous, people. Once again in the Nike. Once again.
That was incredible. Does that remind you of anybody? One guy. That guy.
He's in a red shirt. A red Nike shirt. Yeah? You can't trust these characters.
Well, we're back at the 17th, and what a scene it is. Johnny, I have seen a
Post up in the Nike once again. Pay attention to the signs and symbols, people.
number of players putt from the back part of this green, and the results have not been good. Johnny, that's better than most.
How about him?
That is better than most. Better than most!
What the fuck is that? What is that?
Johnny, that's better than most.
How about him?
That is better than most.
That is mockery for you people. You can't be putting your energy into this. No way.
Better than most!
That was just another Tiger moment.
These characters love it. They love stealing the energy off the crowd, people. Don't be a part of that crowd. Don't be going to these events and these games. Don't be watching them. No, 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 people. Don't put your energy into it.
One of the great long putts I've ever seen.
Now Tiger.
167 yards. This one appears to be online, I think.
Oh, no. You can't do that. That can't happen.
I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
I'm not even serious.
I think.
Oh, no. You can't do that. That can't happen.
Where's the ball?
Appears to be online, I think.
Oh, no.
1 minute the ball's
Now
there.
Tiger.
167 yards.
It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone.
This one appears to be online, I think.
Oh, no. You can't do that. That can't happen.
I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
How about that, huh? Lights out.
Not bad, huh, Pitchy?
He's left them in the dark again.
Tiger's got 152 yards. Should be just a nice, comfortable 9-iron for him. They're going to go nuts when he hits this thing.
And you hear the commentator say they're going to go nuts when he hits this thing. They pumped up this character so much, people. So much to the point that the crowd's going to get hyped up just off his move. He ain't even potted the ball yet. They're getting hyped up and gassed up just off his move. And that is just outrageous, people, yeah? That is a joke, people. Come away from these games. Come away from these so-called professional sports. This is a joke, people. Look how many people there for this devil puppet. Too many people.
Difficulty here for Tigers not to put too much backspin on it.
Post up in the red. And I guess it's Nike once again.
That was actually a pitching wedge you did over there, Rob. So he's trying to knock it down.
I like that play, and I like that shot. Go in!
And that is just some fake shit, people. You're not seeing the ball land and then start moving again. Watch that, people. It's a remote control ball. No joke.
Difficulty here for Tigers not to put too much backspin on it.
That was actually a pitching wedge he did in the Rob, so he's trying to knock it down.
I like that play, and I like that shot. Go in. Oh! And Tiger Woods has suddenly vaulted to tie it for second.
Dance around on the masses for a little bit. And what's this? What's this right here? Oh, a white glove. Isn't that Freemasonry?
That's right. Right back in it.
213, huh, Bill?
213 and
Out of the sand, yeah? Let's see what they got for the masses.
I want you to check this one out. 6 iron.
Oh, goodness. I saw him take a deep breath.
Boy, this is some guts right here.
Uh-oh. That looked like it might have went right.
This is right on line.
What a shot.
Does it get any better
That is a fucking joke, people.
than this, guys?
All they're doing is
Check this one out.
These silly
Appears to be online, I think.
Oh, no. You can't do that. That can't.
You see this? Don't be putting your time and energy into these sports, into these so-called professional sports. Now, I'm showing you golf right here, but trust me, in more than just golf. So be conscious of that, people. Don't let them drain your energy. Don't let them take your money. Stay conscious, people, and come away from the sports. Love and respect.